Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 desktop icons missing. First method is change view options. Second method is restart Windows Explorer. Third method is delete icon cache file. Fourth method is update Windows. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.